Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to pair and set up your Apple Watch with your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most current iOS software for optimal compatibility. Then, simply power on your Apple Watch and hold it close to your iPhone. Your iPhone should automatically detect the watch, prompting you to open the Apple Watch application. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection, ensuring both devices are ready to communicate seamlessly. It's a quick and easy start to getting your new device ready for use. Once the Apple Watch app opens, you'll see an option to start pairing. Tap this, and then use your iPhone's camera to scan the unique animated pattern displayed on your Apple Watch screen. This visual pairing method is incredibly efficient and usually takes just a few seconds. Next, you'll decide if this watch is for your personal use or for a family member, which affects subsequent settings. Finally, review and accept the terms and conditions to move forward with the setup process. After successful pairing, you'll have the option to restore your Apple Watch from a previous backup or set it up as a brand new device. We recommend restoring if you're upgrading to retain your data and settings. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, essential for accessing apps, making purchases, and using services like Apple Pay. Take a moment to customize settings such as text size, passcode, and activity tracking preferences to personalize your experience. The final step involves waiting for your Apple Watch to synchronize all your data and settings from your iPhone. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to about 20 minutes, depending on your data. Once complete, your watch will be ready to use. Remember to keep both your iPhone and Apple Watch charged during this entire setup. You can then explore the Watch app on your iPhone to discover many more customization options and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.